kanina. Sobrang natutuwa ako. Maraming salamat. Si Dane po nagbigay. So thank you po. Torchic starter Pokemon. Isa sa one of my favorite Pokemon is Blaziken. And isa rin yung favorite game ko is Pokemon Ruby, Sapphire, and Emerald. Actually, Gen 3. So, since nagkaroon ako ng Torchic, sobrang natutuwa ako. So, maraming salamat din. Yes, sir. Sana makompleto ko ang starter Pokemons. Pangatlong Pokemon plush ko pa lang to. Yeah. Live ba to? Hindi, replay po to. Rosie, hello! Razel, hello! Been your fan years ago pa when you started to keep up covers from K-pop events in East. Wow! Tingin ng tattoo. Romance 818. See you, Dane. Thank you, Dane. Maraming salamat. Thank you, Jade. I love Bacolod. Kanta album ni Leader. Rosie, thank you. Hello po. Hello po sa new viewers natin. What's up? Stream our latest single, Dapat Lang Ako Lang. Thank you, Shai. And music video namin for Dapat Lang Ako Lang, which is our latest single, will be out tomorrow. So, i-follow nyo po yung Vision Official for more updates kung anong oras. Actually, surprise kung anong oras lalabas yung music video namin. And I'm pretty sure na magugustuhan nyo since Rocket Sets ulit yung nag-produce nun. So, sana magustuhan nyo guys. And mapapanood na rin yung choreo ng chorus. So, we're hoping na gayahin niyo siya on TikTok. Ganun lang siya. Madali lang. Actually, kahit naupo, you can do it. So, sayawan niyo lang siya. Dapat lang ako lang. Sak, sak, clap. Point, point, clap. Sulit. Ganun lang. Ta-ta-ta-ta. And then, two, ha, ha. TikTok niyo siya guys. Hi, Shai. Love you daw. Went po concert sa Palawan. We don't have any scheduled events there yet. So, also may nagbigay pala sa akin ito. Maraming salamat. Thank you. Ito yung outfit ko nung sobrang init na music video. So, thank you. Oops. So, thank you po for giving this to us. Lahat kami nabigyan ng ganito. So, thank you. Ayoshi. Leslie, hello. Good luck po, good luck. Sa Gimaras ba yan? Anong Gimaras? Actually, I wanna go back to Gimaras because of the what do you call this? Yung mango pizza. What's my skincare? Wala akong skincare actually. Ano lang? I make sure to wash my face. Sana magkaroon ng concert sa Palawan. Sana. Tubig na malimit.